Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xbox Ultimate Controller to your Xbox Series X. And this is very easy to do. Now there's two different ways that we can do this. The first way is via wirelessly. So I'm going to turn on my controller by pressing the Xbox button right here. Then what I want to do is locate the sync button on the top. So I'm going to wait to hold that. Now locate the sync button on the Xbox Series X itself. So it's right near the USB port right here. And I'm going to hold both these buttons down at the same time. So let's hold them both down. And the lights are blinking. Then after about 3 to 5 seconds of holding down the sync button, I'm going to let go. And the two lights will now be in sync with each other, indicating the controller is connected to the Xbox now. So you're going to have to log in with a profile, and you should be good to go. So this is completely connected now. Now the second way is you locate the USB cable that came with the controller, plug it into the front USB port, and then simply plug the other end into the controller. So there is a small USB port on the top here. Plug it in, you'll feel like a rumble. Then press the Xbox button on the top if it's not connecting, and you'll have to choose a profile. Once you connect though, you should be able to disconnect the cable just like this, unless your battery is fried or maybe you're low battery. So make sure you're charging your controller too before you plug it in. Otherwise, it may disconnect and turn off on you. But my controller is now connected. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.